then the next question is, okay, you have a customer. Why does a customer buy from you? Right? This may seem like a simple question, and when I first switched over from engineering to marketing, I had నాకు ఒక perception ఉండేది, right? But that perception changed quite a bit as I interact with customers, and it took me almost 3-4 years to realize actually why does a customer buy from you, right? So let's start with maybe great product, right? Everybody who works on a product works on it because they think they're building a good product or great product. So is the customer buying from you because you have some great product? It could be. I mean, it's one of the reasons. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have a good product, the customer won't even talk to you, right? So that could be one reason, right? Great product. By the way, this is the kind of stuff where I do interactively with the audience when I do this thing. But anybody wants to call in, please do. Right? Brand, you have a great brand. Having worked at Intel, this used to be on the top of my mind, right? Nenu Intel lo panchestunnanu, our product will have Intel brand, customer will buy, right? Not just Intel, actually. Any big company has this sort of notion that, hey, I have a great brand, and that's true to a certain extent, but for a customer, brand plays a role, but that's not the only reason, right? We have to take it from our mind pretty fast, right? Otherwise, it sits in our mind, hey, I have a great product, I have a great brand, customer will buy, vastadu na daggirkani, raru, right? Price, okay, you have a better price compared to anybody, sure, right? You have to be competitive, right? So that's, you have to do that anyway. Availability, okay, I have an exclusive product that nobody else has. That's sometimes it's true, and customer will have no choice, but that can't be the reason why the customer is buying from you. అప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర కొంటాడేమో, మీ దగ్గర ఉంది ఇంకెవరి దగ్గర లేదని, but you won't be able to sustain that, right? Then okay, ఎవరో చెప్పారు కస్టమర్కి, if you're dealing with the procurement guy, his boss tells him, okay, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర కొను అని కొంటాడు. Okay, that's also works to a certain extent, but that can't be the thing. Relationship. There are times when the customer wants to have a strategic relationship with you because that's important for them for various reasons, right? Maybe for future or for PR purposes. So it can be any of these reasons why the customer buys from you, but the most important thing why the customer buys from you is because it trusts you. This might sound simple or obvious to some people, but when you get into that role, right, you don't realize, right, how important this thing is.